Metrolabs.
Is your laboratory still using an old fume hood? It may be wooden, mild steel, GI or SS, ducted or ductless. But if it is not maintained properly, it becomes a silent safety threat inside your lab. In this video, we will tell you why fume hood safety matters, warning signs of faulty fume hoods, service versus replacement, how to decide safety standards every lab must follow, how Metrolabs can help your lab stay compliant and safe. Watch till the end. This video can save your lab from a major disaster. In any R&D lab, pharma lab, hospital or testing lab, a fume hood is the first line of defense. It protects technicians from hazardous fumes from acids, solvents, and toxic chemicals. But like any safety equipment, fume hoods need regular maintenance to work effectively. Most labs ignore fume hood maintenance until a problem becomes dangerous. Here are warning signs you should not ignore. If your fume hood is rusting, blower is noisy, suction is weak, broken sash glass, leakage in duct, chemical smell coming out, it means your safety is already compromised. Wooden fume hoods are completely unsafe, especially with acids like HCl, HNO3, HF, or solvents like acetone and toluene. As per industrial safety standards, every fume hood must maintain face velocity between 80 to 120 feet per minute, have proper ducting with chemical-resistant material, use epoxy resin or granite worktop, include gas and water connections safely, offer internal lighting plus safety alarm. If your fume hood doesn't meet these, it is a hazard. Our recommendation: when to service versus replace. Service your fume hood if suction is weak, blower issue, filter is blocked or clogged, belt or motor needs repair, minor duct leakage or noise. Replace your fume hood if it's made of wood, the body is rusted or corroded, glass, sash is damaged, the hood is over 10 years old, it fails safety performance tests. At Metrolabs, we design, manufacture, supply, and install custom-made fume hoods across India. We also service and upgrade old fume hoods of any brand and any design, AMC and servicing blower replacement, filter replacement, ducting repair, full fume, hood upgrade, new installation. We serve research labs, pharma labs, testing labs, and industries. Need fume hood service or replacement, free lab safety inspection. Call or WhatsApp 98409-312-31 or 97910333115. Email metrolabs1@gmail.com. Don't wait for a chemical accident to happen. Get your fume hood inspected today by Metrolabs. We offer a free lab safety audit for fume hoods. Click the WhatsApp link or scan the QR code now. Metrolabs, your trusted laboratory partner.